Ready to unlock a flood of qualified leads and supercharge your real estate business in Canada? Let's dive into creating a powerful Google Ads campaign specifically for Canadian realtors, step by step, in the next minute and a half. First, head over to Google Ads and log in. The bedrock of any successful campaign is solid keyword research, so click on Tools and Settings, then select Keyword Planner here. Brainstorm keywords people use when searching for real estate in your area, like homes for sale, best realtor, condos for sale, or even location-specific terms like houses near Niagara Falls. Next, craft compelling ad copy that speaks directly to potential clients. Your headlines should be attention-grabbing and include your primary keywords in the description. Highlight your unique selling points, your experience, local market expertise, or commitment to client satisfaction. Always include a clear call to action like find your dream home or get a free home evaluation. Finally, make sure to input the URL of a dedicated landing page on your website, ideally a page designed to convert visitors into leads, where you can capture their information to reach out. Now, laser focus your targeting. In the targeting settings, make sure to set your location to Canada or specific regions where you operate. You can also refine your audience based on demographics or interests. Next, set a daily budget that aligns with your marketing goals and start with a low bid to test the waters. As you gather data, you can adjust your bids and budget to optimize performance. Be sure to constantly monitor your campaign performance and make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. Following these steps will set you up for a successful Google Ads campaign, generating more leads and boosting your brand visibility. As an agent in the Canadian real estate market, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to take your business to the next level. Happy advertising!